are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
If you were to be a mango, they will not even wash you before they eat you.
So, what exactly do you want?
I just want our conversation to continue like this.
Anyway, I don't have time for this rubbish, okay? Excuse me.
Scopetenya. I'm talking to you, I was running away.
If you touch me again, you will regret it.
No problem, no problem. Do that now with your father. Yeah! You slap me.
Yes, and I will do it again.
Another pull it for me. No. Hold this thing for me.
Wait.
I say, let me download that back. Let me download that back. Leave me alone. Where's the person I was even looking for?
Come on, fight. Let me even call Sergeant.
Scopetenya.
Rubbish.
Don't worry, don't call anybody. I know what to do at the right time.
Nonsense.
Hey,
See him. Rubbish.
Please.
Authentic rubbish.